Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. First of all, I apologize for a little delay today. Okay, so today I have brought up some Kanchi embossed silk sarees. Okay, it's a silk blend sarees. Okay, art silk or silk blend or semi silk, whatever you can call. All the sarees are priced at 1200 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu. India. Okay, so our store is located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. It's a small home-based store. Okay, so I will go with the sarees now. Yeah, all the sarees are very fine. Okay, very soft. Okay, very silky as well. Some will be very soft and some will have the normal silkiness. Okay, because of the processing only. Okay, so first I will go with the this one. Okay, just a minute. Yeah. So some sarees will have the folding like this. Yeah. So this is the first saree. It's a green tone, parrot green color. This is the body part. You have the embossed designs all over the body and you have the border like this, a peacock border. Okay. And this is the pallu. All the sarees will have a very rich pallu, zari worked pallu. Okay, and this is how the saree will be looking. You have the green and pink combination. The blouse piece is also an embossed plain pink blouse with borders. Okay, this is the first saree. The sarees are all priced at 1200 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. So this is the first saree, green with pink combination. Okay, very soft sarees, very silky sarees. Okay. The material is silk blend or art silk or semi silk, whichever you can call. Okay. So the next one is a beige with pink combination. You have the border, one side it's a small border with just a simple plain zari work, and below you have this border and the embossed designs is like this in the saree. Okay, it's a beige with pink. So this is how the body part will be looking. All over the body you have the embossed designs, and this is a pallu. Okay, a golden zari pallu, a very rich pallu, and the blouse piece also has the same kind of a peachish pink tone with embossed and borders. Okay, so this is the next saree, a beige with pink. Okay, for all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me at 9150556870, or you can inbox me as well to my page. So this is the next one. Okay, it's a beige with pink, a very rich zari work all over the border. Sorry, pallu. So the next one is a lovely bottle green with purple shade. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking. So this is the body part. You have the embossed designs in the bottle green with purple border with chakra kind of a butta in the borders. Okay, and the pallu has a pinkish pallu. Okay, a rich flower design pallu, and the blouse comes in pink color. Okay, so this is the next saree, a very lovely saree. Okay, a bottle green with purple border and the pinkish combination. The fabric will be very good. You will have the actual silk feel when you drape it. So the next one is a baby pink with green combination. One side big border and the other one is a small border. You have the silver zari as well in the borders, okay, for this saree. So this is the body part. You have the body like this, okay. It's a baby pink with green combination, and you have the silver work here. And you have a very rich green pallu. Okay, this is how the saree look will be there. And you have the blouse like this. Most of the saree blouses are also embossed together, okay. These sarees are priced at 1200, shipping extra 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD applicable for all the products, okay. COD processing charges 100 rupees extra, you have to calculate. So the next one is a lovely yellow color. So this is how the saree design will be. Okay, the embossed design and also the border butta, okay, just a flower butta. So this is the body part. You have a zigzag kind of an embossed design here. And the pallu, a very rich golden zari worked pallu. And the blouse will be in a pink color, okay. So this is the next saree. So please take the screenshots for all the enquiries and orders, okay. So this is the next one. It's a yellow with pink combination. It's a orangish yellow, okay, mango yellow kind of a tone. So the next one is a green color. Hope you can able to see the embossed design, a small mango kind of a design coming along with the diamond cubes. All of them are Kanchi replicas, okay. So this is how the body will be there. A green with purplish green border and a rich pinkish pallu. So rich pinkish pallu here. So this is how the saree will be looking. And you have the pinkish, the same kind of a embossed design blouse piece, okay. So we will be posting the pictures as well after the live is done in some time in my page. So you can refer to the actual colors and the full details also. So the next one is a lovely blue color, a dark sky blue color. Okay, so one side you have the small border and the other side you have a big border with full peacock design and flower designs. And you have a tilakam kind of a emboss here. And you have a very rich greenish pallu. So this is how the saree will be looking. And the blouse piece is green with same kind of a embossed design. Okay, this is how the blouse will be looking. The quality will be very fine. Okay, it's guaranteed. You have the feel of the silk. Kanchi silk. So the next one is a lavenderish purple color, okay. So this is the body part. You have a very fancy design here in the saree. Okay, this is how the saree will be looking. You have the very fancy design. All of them are embossed sarees, okay. The body part designs are embossed. Okay, you have the borders and a rich pallu as well. So this is the pallu of the saree. So this is how the saree will be looking, okay. It's a lavenderish purple color. And the blouse piece comes with the same running color for this saree. Okay. So this is the next one. The price is 1200, shipping extra. So the next one is a Rani pink shade with golden zari work border. Okay. So the body part, you have this kind of a work, a simple emboss, and this is the pallu, a very grand pallu. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a Rani pink shade, and you have the same kind of a running blouse here. Okay, so this is the blouse part. So the next one is again a green, light green with blue combination. So this is how the body will be looking. And a very rich pallu, a blue color pallu. Okay. With butterfly designs coming, again a fancy design. So this is a full look of the saree, and you have the blouse piece in the same blue color, in blue color. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay. So the next one is an orange color. So this is the body part. And the pallu. You have the orange and pink dual tone in the pallu. So this is the look of the saree, and the blouse piece comes in the pink color. So this is the next one. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay. So my WhatsApp number is 9150556870. You can always WhatsApp me for the real pictures, more pictures of the images as well. So we will be always welcome to share those details. So the next one is a greyish blue color. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, it's a greyish blue shade. A very different and fancy design along with the color. The color is also very different. So you have the lavenderish purple again, pallu. So this is how the saree will be looking. Just a minute. And you have the blouse piece as like in the same of the pallu color. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. The color is greyish blue with purple. Okay. So the next one, it's the last. Okay, so this is the color. It's a red tone, and so this is the body part, Okay, one side you have the small border and the other side you have the big border. And I will show you the pallu. So this is how the pallu will be there. And the saree. Okay, I will show you the blouse now. So the blouse comes in the red color. Okay, you have the brownish red part in the saree, and the saree blouse will be red color. Okay, so this is the next one. So this is the entire look of the saree. Okay, so these are the collections I have for today. So please refer to the images which I will be posting in sometime in my page as well, so to get the full clarity. So for all orders and inquiries, please WhatsApp me at 9150556870 with the screenshot or at least the description, so that it will be easy for us to communicate further. All my collections are listed in my WhatsApp catalog. I have mentioned my catalog link as well in the description, so you can refer to that for all my products in a single click. So shipping is extra 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available for all my products. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra. So total product cost plus total shipping charges plus 100 is the total amount you have to calculate for COD. So thanks for watching. Keep shopping with us. So just like our page for all the real updates. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.